me see here. Looking for more comments. More comments on. Okay, so Vincent Fury says, I'm finishing my cybersecurity degree. I have 7 classes left. After 2, I'm in. I'm told that I should have just that I have just done certifications. Thoughts? I'm told that I should have done just certifications. No, I don't agree with that, Vincent. I still believe in the value of a degree in our field because you're a technician and you're an engineer. So it's gonna, at the very least, it'll help you to be very competitive in this market. And a lot of jobs, to be honest with you, the higher paying jobs, they require a certification or a degree usually. You know what I mean? So, and another thing is, if you have 7 classes left, I'll tell you, just like I tell all students, don't wait until you finish your degree. Start right now. Go. One of the great advantages that a lot of people don't take advantage of is to become a working student. It's a huge advantage that a lot of people don't have. So right now, what you can do, Vincent, is apply for a working student program at your school. See if they have one. If they have internships, if they have apprenticeships, if they have projects you can do, all those things will help you on your resume. These are things that the employers, once you get your degree, are going to be looking for. They want you to have experience over. Experience is over a degree. A degree is over a certification. So all of these things have advantages, but the best one by far is experience. Get the experience while you're still in college, while you're still working on it. So you're actually in a position where you can make moves that a lot of people who are watching me right now cannot make. They don't have the resources, they don't have the time or whatever. That degree it's worth something, right? It's competitive. Do I think that this field should always require a degree? I do not. I think that they should lean more heavy into the experience part and bringing people in and then giving them the experience and then get a degree or whatever. That's what I think they should do. But that's not how it's working right now. Right now, they're looking at experience, a degree, and certifications in that order. Experience, a degree, and then a certification. Now, a lot of people, they skip the degree, and you don't have to have a degree in this field. You don't have to have one. I want to reiterate that. But a lot of times, at least the knowledge is what they want you to have. Nobody's going to get in this field without any knowledge at all. So, hope that helps. Let me take some more. Speak to more. Okay, Larry says, I just think that I just think they're equally important, and emphasis should be put on making education more affordable versus deeming it unimportant. Yeah, I have to agree. Like, I think that it is important to get a good solid. It is very, very helpful to have that degree under your belt, to have that years of experience learning under your belt. It's really, really a good, solid thing. Just like I was telling Vincent over here, I think it's at the very least, it's extremely competitive. Even if you don't believe in having that piece of paper, once you get it under your name, like, it's very competitive in that market. So, do you have to have it? You don't have to have a degree. I've been met plenty of people who didn't have one. My first 2 mentors had no degree, had no certifications. They were actually brilliant, right? So they were brilliant people with a lot of experience coming from the military, but they didn't have a degree, no certification, and they were teaching me, who had a degree and certifications. So do you need it? No. Most people, I think it's probably best that they do get a certification or a degree, but not absolutely necessary. If you can get one, spend the time to go ahead and get one. I'd say if you have the time, the energy, the money, resources to do it, I would say do it.